Okay. Is there paddles? We'll have a look. He's sketching his leg, is he? Where are we going to? Look at the rocks. Oh, lots of feathers. That's fun. What? Did the ducks get them out of their bum? Is that what you said? What is it, Levi? Show Mum. Blowing things. Show Mum. You want to show Daddy? Okay. Show Mummy.
Let's go and have a look at all them rocks.
You show me where we have to go. Up there?
Then play all the leaves, remember?
Play with all the leaves, remember? Okay. Do you like your umbrella, Jax? Who did?
Yoshi.
Yoshi went for a swim in the pond. He did at the other place, didn't he?
Yeah, and last night didn't went back in.
He didn't go back in?
These are puddles.
Oh, they're a bit muddy, them ones. That's just mud, it's not water. You can walk in it if you want to. It's just mud though. Might be a bit slippery.
Pigs go in the mud.
Pigs do go in the mud, yeah.
Pigs do go in that mud.
If they were here, they probably would. No more duck ponds? Remember where the rocks are? Do you remember where they were?
Yeah.
Yeah. Coming, Jax?
Let's find a rock.
What's that, Levi?
It's a puddle.
It's a muddy puddle.
Why? Mom, why step in it?
You can stand in it if you want to.
Why must step in it?
Did you already step in it, did you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at all these leaves.
Oh, look at all these. We can play in these.
Yes, there's lots of these.
Oh, look under the tree. There's heaps.
Heaps and heaps.
Yeah. Let's play. Do you want to play in them, Jack? Oh, look at them all. Why are all the leaves on the ground? They fell out of the trees. Do you know why they fell out of the trees? Because it's autumn. Good boy. Okay. Oh, you right, buddy? I'm coming.